Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and today I will be showing you how to make red potatoes and green peas puree. This side dish works great with red meat, poultry or any fish. So let's get started. With red potatoes you can actually eat the skin, and the skin has a lot of vitamins. Despite that, you need to clean the skin properly, so I'm gonna use this sponge. I have this natural fiber sponge, so I'm gonna scrub the skin and I'm gonna cut out all like imperfections. Now that is done, I'm gonna cut the potatoes to smaller pieces and we're gonna be mashing it. So it's better if they're actually smaller because then it takes less time. So cut them to smaller, same size pieces. All the potatoes are cut now. I'm gonna give them a good rinse. So now the potatoes are rinsed. I added clean water in it and we're gonna add salt. And to this amount of water, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt. So now keep it on high until it reaches boiling point. When it starts boiling, we're gonna put the lid sideways and continue cooking until soft. I think it's gonna take approximately 20 to 25 minutes. So now I'm gonna defrost the green peas. I'm gonna use approximately half a cup. And you can use a microwave to defrost it, or I'm gonna steam them for a few minutes. So now it's been 25 minutes. The way to test potatoes, if they're ready, is when you put them on a knife and they just super soft. Sometimes they slide off, but you can tell that they're soft and cooked. So I'm gonna get rid of the water now. So to finish the mashed potatoes, I'm gonna add some butter to it, and I warmed up some milk and just mash it. At this point I will also taste the potatoes to see if it has enough salt. And once it's mashed and it has the required amount of salt, I would add the defrosted peas and only mix it in with a spoon because I don't want the peas to be mashed. And that's it, my recipe for a red potato green pea puree. Hope you try it. Thank you for watching and enjoy.